Metallics always make a project look next level. Today I have 5 ways that you can add metallics to your project using the Altenew metallic watercolors. The first way to add metallic accents is to just use the ink as designed in a fairly concentrated way. This is not watercolor paper, it's actually just regular cardstock, and as you can see I can put these little bits of metallic color in all of the flowers and the leaves, and it doesn't take much to accomplish it. Just this little bit of metallic shine is enough to really set this project apart. Taking it up a notch from the first method, I embossed this image onto some watercolor paper, and now I will be able to use these watercolors with reckless abandon. And instead of going for a full color, I'm really watering it down. And as you can see, this color can really stand a lot of dilution. And I have water already in my petal, and I'm just going to drop a little bit down into the base of the petal. And it's going to get me a really soft look with hardly any effort at all. So as the water carries it out, it will have a really nice organic flow, and it's not taking me anything really to do this. So just drop a little bit in there and continue on. This third way to add metallics to your project will really help your sentiments pop. So if you don't want to put your sentiment on a plain background, just make a quick wash with the metallic watercolor of your choice. And then when it's dry, you can add in your sentiment, and it will really, really stand out. If you prefer, you can go ahead and heat emboss your sentiment. And this time I'm going to go into some gold here. And I'm just going to wash it across very simply. And this is enough to really help the sentiment pop out, especially with the heat embossing around it. The last way to add a beautiful watercolor accent is to paint directly onto the stamp. So I've dipped into my metallic here, and I'm just adding it all over my stamp and trying to get that as far out to the edges as I can so I can use as much of this for my project. All right, and once I have that covered, I'm going to go ahead and spritz it and then go ahead and flip it onto my watercolor cardstock. And once it is soaked in, and I lift up on this, I'll have a beautiful metallic background that is going to just be stunning on my project. I hope you enjoyed these ideas and how you can add some glitz and glamour with metallic watercolors to your projects. If you use any of these techniques out on your projects and you share them on social media, I'd love for you to tag me at Pixel Mavens Retreat. Please don't forget to subscribe and use the affiliate links down in the description to help support this crafty channel. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, happy crafting.